So what's good here?
Right now we have everything on our menu, so we can do breakfast or lunch. I really like our bacon, egg, and cheese on Texas toast.
Oh my God, that sounds amazing.
It's really good. If you want lunch, I recommend our chicken Philly.
There.
Yeah.
So how does it taste?
The shrimp is amazing. It's a 10 out of 10. It's basically, yeah, it's a 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10?
Yeah, it's a 10 out of 10 because the flavor.
Come on, man. Is she capping? Y'all dropping the comments.
No.
A 10 out of 10 on shrimp?
Yeah.
Oh, this is Bird Dog Chicken Company in Gulf Shores. All right, so we're going to try this out, y'all. If I could just handle my camera the right way. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm at the Bird Dog Chicken Corporation. Man, I'm hearing it's a favorite here in Gulf Shores. So I want to give these folks a try. The first thing is, man, the aesthetics are amazing. Look at this, man. Look at this chicken. Look at the bird with the dog. Hence, Bird Dog Chicken. That is funny. Nice. I'm gonna be ordering too. I'm just filming for my vlog. I came by here one time before and y'all were closed, and I was like, man, I want to try that place. But it was a couple months ago. Are y'all hours the same year round?
Yes, it's from 7 to 9.
7 to 9. I wonder when I rode by here. I remember y'all being closed and like, I want to try that place. So what's good here?
Right now we have everything on our menu, so we can do breakfast or lunch. I really like our bacon, egg, and cheese on Texas toast.
Oh my God, that sounds amazing.
It's really good. If you want lunch, I recommend our chicken Philly.
Nah, I want breakfast. That bacon, egg, and cheese on Texas toast sounds like something I want to try.
You want to do that?
Yeah, but let me ask you this. I'm more of a sausage person.
Okay.
Is the sausage, egg, and cheese pretty good too?
It is.
Okay.
I just like bacon.
You just like bacon better. Okay. Okay. Let me do the sausage, egg, and cheese on Texas toast breakfast sandwich.
Do you want any hash browns or a drink with it?
Nah, I'm gonna go get a coffee from somewhere, and I don't need no hash brown.
All right.
What about you, Marsha? Check out. Nice. Look at the Bird Dog, man. It's a nice little spot. Man. Got all type of stuff on the menu. Check these folks out, man. I gotta try that breakfast sandwich. Special. But they serve breakfast till 10:30 in the morning. And all breakfast sandwiches can be served on biscuits, Texas toast, or made up into a waffle sandwich. Oh my God. Maybe I should have tried the waffle sandwich. That's crazy. Then they got wraps, they got tenders, they got salads, they desserts. They got a little special going on right now. Chicken Caesar wrap, flour tortilla. All right, so we're gonna get this food, we're gonna try it out, then we're gonna chime back in with you guys and let you guys what it tastes like. Peace. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now I'm standing here out in front of Badass Coffee. You guys already saw me do a preview of that. I'm actually gonna go in there and get a coffee. I'm not gonna actually preview that because you already saw that. If you want to check out that video, go back and check out the video where I actually previewed that one. But I'm gonna go through and we're gonna preview this channel. We're actually gonna preview this sandwich and what my wife got and what I got, and we're gonna give our feedback on how we thought it tasted. So what was this, Marsha?
This was the shrimp and hash browns. This is shrimp and hash browns.
Oh, okay. So you got shrimp and hash browns. So a good bit of shrimp. I know you done ate a little bit out of there.
Yeah.
But how does it taste?
The shrimp is amazing. It's a 10 out of 10. It's basically, yeah, it's a 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10?
Yeah, it's a 10 out of 10 because the flavor
Come on, man. Is she capping? Y'all dropping the comments.
No.
A 10 out of 10 on shrimp?
Yeah, 10 out of 10. If you like shrimp, you understand what I'm saying. It's not bready,
Okay.
but it has that original flavor. It tastes like shrimp.
Take a bite of it. Let's see this texture of the shrimp.
It's not really salty.
Okay.
And
Can we get a oh.
it's not bready, and it's flavored perfect.
Flavored
It's not
perfectly
too
shrimp.
salty. It's perfect. You don't need any type of seasoning. You don't need cocktail sauce or anything like that. If you want it, fine. If not, it's perfect the way it is.
All right, you going crazy on the shrimp. What about the tater tots?
Tater tots, just a little mid.
Mid tater tots.
But with the shrimp, it bumps it up. So it's probably about a 6. Put a little ketchup or whatever on it.
The tater tots is a 6.
Mm-hmm.
But the shrimp is a 10. 100%. So what do you rate it overall, both together?
It's gonna have to be about I think it's an 8.
Dang,
It's
that shrimp powerful, bro.
That shrimp is powerful. It really is.
All right, man, she going crazy over the shrimp. So what I got was a Texas toast sandwich. I'm gonna let you guys see this, man. And we're gonna try this out. So it's basically a breakfast sandwich. Sorry. It's basically a breakfast sandwich on Texas toast, man. That's all it is. And I'm about to try this out. And again, what's that place called?
Bird Dog.
This is Bird Dog Chicken Company in Gulf Shores. All right, so we're gonna try this out, y'all. If I could just handle my camera the right way. It's pretty good, man. I wouldn't say it's spectacular, but it's just a breakfast sandwich. I don't know, unless you got like a high level sausage, it's gonna be good. What I will say, it tastes better than anything you'll get at the regular fast food restaurants. It's not mind blowing, it doesn't blow me away, but if I had to put a rating on it, for what it is, I still would give it an 8, to be honest. I would still give it an 8 because it's a good breakfast sandwich. It's pretty solid. So y'all can see it's a nice big old piece of sausage, some cheese, and some egg, man. That she actually recommended me do the bacon one, but man, I'm just a sausage person, man. Drop in the comments, man. What do you guys like more, good breakfast sausage or some bacon, man? So we're gonna hit a few more places out here in Gulf Shores before we get out. But like I said before in the other video, man, this is really a business trip. We really came down here to take care of our lock. We had to fix our lock on our unit because it just stopped working. So I actually had to wake up 6 o'clock in the morning and drive all the way down here before my next guest come, man. This is peak season. You can't be in a situation where your lock ain't working, man. You won't make no money, or you'll get complaints, they'll destroy your reviews, and that'll be it for that. But anyway, drop in the comments, man, what do you guys like to eat for breakfast? My wife, she's actually eating some shrimp for breakfast. I'm actually eating for a breakfast sandwich. If you like the shrimp, drop in the comments shrimp. If you like a breakfast sandwich, drop sandwich. We'll chime back in a little bit. Peace.